Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix the media keeps stopping error on Realme 16. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and you will see swipe up and restart device from here. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last solution is reset all settings. Click on settings app. Scroll down to and click on System and Update. After click on System and Update, click on Backup and Reset and click on Reset Phone and click on Reset All Settings. After click on Reset All Settings, enter your phone PIN and click on Reset. After click on Reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix the media keeps stopping error on Realme 16. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.